Transform your TikTok passion into profit by diving headfirst into the TikTok affiliate program. So, you've built a loyal following on TikTok and love sharing your favorite finds. What if I told you that you could turn that influence into a real income stream? That's exactly what the TikTok affiliate program is all about. Why you're tapping into your creativity to earn commissions on sales. Stick around, and I'll show you how. Step 1 is eligibility. You'll need to meet TikTok's requirements, which usually include having a certain number of followers, often around 1,000, and being at least 18 years old. Head over to your TikTok profile, tap the 3 lines in the top right, and look for Creator Tools or Creator Portal. From there, you should find the option to apply for the affiliate program. Once approved, the fun begins. Choosing what to promote. Think about products that genuinely align with your content niche and audience interests. Are you a beauty guru, fashion enthusiast, tech reviewer? Browse popular brands and products that your followers would likely love. Look for the affiliate program or partnership section on their websites. Next, it's time to create compelling content. Don't just slap a link in your bio. Craft engaging videos that highlight the product's benefits, share your honest opinion, or demonstrate how it solves a problem. Think tutorials, unboxings, style hauls, or even funny skits incorporating the product naturally. Now for the crucial part, why you're adding your affiliate link. After you've chosen a product from an affiliate network or brand, you'll receive a unique affiliate link. You can typically add this link to your TikTok bio, or use some affiliate programs to directly place it in your video captions or a Shop Now button on your content. Always clearly disclose that it's an affiliate link. And that's it. When your followers click on your affiliate link and make a purchase, you'll earn a commission. The percentage varies by product and program, but consistent promotion of relevant items can build a significant revenue stream. So, get creative, be authentic, and start monetizing your TikTok presence today.